Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to do a quick review on this Oxi Clean spin clean car wash system. So right off the bat I had to put some Teflon tape on this because it leaks like a sieve, which isn't a deal breaker for me, but and then this thing right here screws off. This is where your soap goes. Your trigger right here is what takes the water. That's pretty nice. And then this trigger right here, you squeeze this to let the soap come out. This thing's like 25 bucks at Walmart. I'm gonna let you know right now, it's a total piece of shit. It's not even worth the $25 that I paid for it. I think it lasted about 4 seconds whenever I tried to wash my Corvette with it. This is supposed to lock into here, and as you can see, it leaks from everywhere, and it constantly comes apart because there's nothing locking it together. And also this little soap thing right here, as soon as you squeeze that, it's in there for good unless you really put some effort into pulling it out, so you'll burn right through your soap in no time. I suggest not buying this. It's a total piece of shit. Save your money.